G'day, welcome to Country Wholesale Group here at 15 Uralla Road in sunny Port Macquarie on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. A beautiful little seaside town, and yippee-ki-yay, have a look at this outstanding off-road rig that has just arrived in. Maxxis Razor tyres, a 2-inch ARB Old Man Emu lift kit, ARB bull bar, 10,000 pound worn winch. It's got an ARB rear bar and tyre carrier, ARB rock sliders, safari snorkel. Also underneath, ARB diff covers front and rear for higher oil capacity. ARB cargo rack. It's all ARB. Method race wheels. The rear ARB bar and tyre carrier looks outstanding. It's got an ARB twin air compressor as well. Around the other side, it's got a King's awning, which we'll have a look at. Got the Jeep slush mats. A long range auxiliary fuel tank as well. This vehicle is kitted out to the max. It's got a fixed hammer GPS, a King's awning, as I said earlier, which we'll have a look at. Let's have a look inside the vehicle. Seats look super comfortable. Let's jump in. 64,000 very careful kilometres. March 2015 build, 64,000 careful kilometres. Sounds outrageous. Ice cold air conditioning. In a 6-speed manual. What a great package. Cruise control, Bluetooth. Super comfortable and ready to rock and roll. Jeep since 1941. This is fantastic. A fantastic off-road adventure machine, and available right now here at Country Wholesale Group. Sounds outrageous. You can phone us on 6581 2881 if you want your own customised virtual tour. 6581 2881 for your own customised virtual tour of this amazing machine. Simply outstanding. What a great package. Opening it up. Certainly an abundance of room in the rear for all your gear. A great setup. If you want something extraordinary, if you don't want to settle for the regular vehicle, this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited may be the vehicle for you. 6581 2881 should you wish to have a more customised virtual tour. But what a stunning off-road machine, all kitted out and ready to go. Virtually nothing that needs to be done. Your adventures away in this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Come and check it out. No doubt you'll be absolutely delighted, and we certainly will look after you.